Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in East Hanover, New Jersey, and we have just completed this inline steam seal enclosure with polished chrome hardware, and I really freaking like it. So we've got the square series handle, 8-inch back to back, and we've got the Geneva wall mount clamps. On this one, we used the U-channel, both top and bottom, for a more seamless look, and we have our transom up above. So if you guys ever seen my video of do's and don'ts, I'll put the link right up there. The do's and don'ts, using a transom like this with these little swivel pivots like this guy not only does it operate to open for steam to vent out, but it's also doing a lot of work holding this panel from sliding down this way. In that particular video, they had a transom, but it was hinged off of the ceiling. Therefore, it had no function in assisting weight distribution for the side panel. Don't forget to take a look at that video for comparison. All right, and the appropriate way to open a transom is face out like this, because as you know, heat rises. So if it opened the opposite direction, it literally has to like go around your glass. This is the perfect way to do it. All right, and that's all I got to say about that. So, if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a banner spider will crawl on your face.